Ever wished you could break down any photo into fully editable layers? Just like in Photoshop. Alibaba's Qwen team just launched Qwen Image Layered, an AI model that splits images into RGBA layers for independent editing. Think swapping backgrounds or moving objects with ease. The model is open source, with code and demos now live on GitHub, Hugging Face, and ModelScope. Alibaba just dropped CosyVoice 3, a multilingual speech synthesis model trained on over 1 million hours of audio, pushing voice fidelity to a new level. On top of that, they've upgraded AgentScope, making it easier for enterprises to deploy next-gen AI agents with ready-to-use tools and workflows. These moves could seriously shake up the AI landscape, especially if Alibaba secures NVIDIA's H200 chips for even faster model training and deployment. Claude Opus 4.5 just smashed expectations, coding autonomously for almost 5 hours straight. No crash, no cap. METR's latest benchmark shows it outlasting even GPT 5.1 Codex Max, hitting a 50% success rate at 4 hours 49 minutes. But don't get it twisted. While it dominates long tasks, its 80% success window drops to just 27 minutes, and memory limitations still hold AGI back. AWS just dropped a wild update. Kiro Powers now lets AI agents instantly pick up pro skills for tools like Figma and Stripe, all with one click. This means devs can supercharge their workflow, from design to deployment, without the usual grind. Plus, you can even build and share your own Kiro Powers, pushing AI customization to the next level. When Anthropic dropped Claude code into Slack, it flipped the script for small dev squads hustling on tight deadlines. Now you can pull Convo context straight into your code sessions, smashing those annoying info gaps. This AI-powered move means faster bug fixes, feature drops, and way less time lost digging through endless chat threads. Game devs just dropped Nitrogen, an open-source AI model trained on a wild 40,000 hours of gameplay vids across 1,000-plus games. This beast nails unseen game tasks, flexing up to 52% better success rates versus models trained from scratch. With its universal Gymnasium API and massive dataset, Nitrogen is set to shake up how gaming agents learn and adapt. Ever wanted to switch up your post pics with just a few words? YouTube now lets creators in the US, Canada, India, and New Zealand use Nano Banana's AI editor to add, remove, or tweak photo elements in posts by typing English prompts. Every AI-edited image gets an automatic disclosure label, keeping things transparent while creators control the final look. Think ChatGPT's answers are always safe? OpenAI just dropped a study showing that monitoring the model's internal chain of thought is now a core safety move, especially in GPT-5. They introduced a monitorability tax, basically trading more compute for transparency, plus 13 new safety tests, all to catch risky reasoning before it gets out of hand. Building AI mini-apps just got wild. Google Gemini now packs Opal, letting you create and host custom workflows with zero code. Just type what you want in plain English, tweak steps visually, and deploy reusable tools right from the Gems manager, or hit up the advanced editor for more control. This move seriously speeds up prototyping and makes custom AI tools way more accessible, no dev skills needed. Gemini 3 just smoked the competition, dominating 19 out of 20 industry benchmarks and putting ChatGPT on notice. But hold up, Google's not axing Assistant on Android till 2026, giving users more time before Gemini fully takes over. With billions of users and deep web access, Gemini's rise is shaking up the AI game. But the transition will be slow and steady. Bloom just dropped, and it's about to flip how we check AI models for bad behavior. This open-source tool from Anthropic auto-generates scenarios to measure how often and how bad AI misalignments get, making safety research way more accessible. Now even indie researchers and small teams can get in on leveling up AI safety, no gatekeeping, just real impact. Amazon just dropped its Nova 2 AI lineup, and the early benchmarks show Nova 2 Pro going toe-to-toe with the top models out there. With Nova Forge, businesses can now blend their own data for custom AI training, while Nova Act brings browser automation to the next level. This move puts Amazon right in the face of OpenAI and Google, pushing enterprise AI and automation to new heights.